Imagine being able to live the next 10, 20, 30 years of your life with just amazing health, able to do all the things that you really want to do, able to play with your kids, you're able to get out of bed with plenty of energy, and you're just really experiencing a great quality of life. Well, I'm Dr. Rob Vasquez, the wellness advocate, and I want to invite you to come to a dinner where I'm going to teach you simple steps on how you can be able to achieve this amazing quality of life when it comes to your health. I want to teach you what a true healthcare system is, because typically we're only offered sick care. So even though we call it this healthcare system, to be able to participate in it, we first have to be sick. We have to not be feeling good before we ever go into it, before we ever go to the doctor. Here's what typically happens with people. You have tons of stress on your body, whether it be chemically, physically, or emotionally, and as a result, your body can't adapt to it anymore, and you start to really feel that. So much so that they've invented something for that. If you've ever recognized the slogan for the stuffy, runny nose, achy fever so you can rest medicine, that's called NyQuil, right? Just so that you can be able to get some sleep. And I think it's interesting because it's gotten so bad that they had to invent another thing called DayQuil, just so that we could be able to get through our afternoon drive through the community. To me, that's just not okay that we would be taught that we could just cover symptoms up. We can go into literally every single person's bathroom right now and ask that question: what's that mirrored cabinet on the wall? That mirrored cabinet on the wall, of course, is called your medicine cabinet, right? It's just expected that we're going to be taking medication at some point in our life. Are you healthier if that medicine cabinet has to be chock full of medication, or if it's empty? And of course, the answer to that is, yeah, when it's empty. If we're driving through right here a pharmacy or a CVS, and they're on every single corner because it's expected that we need to make it convenient for people to somehow start taking these medications to cover symptoms up. But you know what? It doesn't have to be that way. See, I think exactly like you think, and I want to teach you how to really bridge that gap and teach you what true health is and how to be proactive about your health. We're going to teach you what the 4 top disease killers are and how to avoid those disease killers so that you and your family can live a healthy quality of life. We're going to talk about that, and I'm going to talk to you about 3 simple steps that you can start applying immediately so that you can avoid doing what many people are doing and in relying on these pain pills and medications to cover symptoms up. Here's the thing. 2 things typically keep people from taking action when it comes to their health. Number 1 is procrastination, waiting, thinking that somehow this problem is going to get better on its own. Well, we know when we leave things like that, it's not. So I'm challenging you to take action, get registered. The other thing that stops people from taking care of their health is cost. Well, I've eliminated that for you because the dinner is complimentary. It doesn't cost you anything, it's on me. So you really don't have anything to lose. Just take action. Click the register now button right there. The seating is limited, so you definitely want to make sure that you take action today. Don't wait, just do it. You don't have anything to lose and only your health to gain. So it's also for your friends, your family members, complimentary to them as well. So get yourself signed up, get your friends, your family members signed up so that you can really live the next 10, 20, 30 years with a great quality of life, doing exactly what you love to do so that you can truly live your life. Again, I'm Dr. Rob, the wellness advocate. Have a great day.